Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you how I am managing my portfolio in this crazy market. But first I need to acknowledge some previous videos so that people don't start blasting me in the comments that I shift my opinion however the wind blows. However, it is okay to adapt to changing circumstances. The only wrong thing is not to when opportunities appear and just bury your head in the sand, tuning the reality out. Please just watch the video until the end and it will all make sense when I will reveal what my portfolio would look at the end of this year. First, I made a video about going all in Tesla, card in the corner. This still holds true at this time. I am all in and have bought as much as I could, managing to achieve more in less time than expected because of this market. I made another video saying basically in nicer terms that diversification is for people who don't know what they're doing. That still holds true as well. It is okay if you don't want to spend time doing research about companies, but it is my opinion that you are better off in that case just investing into an ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Okay, with that being said, let's get into the video. But before I get into what exactly I am investing in, how and why, I need to address something else first. In this insane environment we are living right now, you must make sure your finances are squared away. So before even thinking of starting investing in this market, you need to do the following 4 steps. Number 1, get rid of high interest debt. Now, that means credit cards, personal loans, and everything else you can. Number 2, create an emergency fund of at least 3 but better yet 6 months of income to make sure you are prepared if layoffs start. Number 3, take care of your physical and mental health issues. This will not be an easy time to be ill on top of everything. Consult your physician, exercise, eat well, and do your yearly checkup. Number 4, do your due diligence, understand the businesses, and develop your own plan. Always do your own research, never copy what I do. You've done all of that? Great! Now for the meat and potatoes of this video, explaining my portfolio and my plan going forward for this year. Each investing plan should take into consideration the time you need and or want to be invested in the market. I am a long-time buy and hold investor, but nothing in life is that black and white. For my own plan, I have, as one can expect, a long, medium and short time horizon. This is related to taxes and when do I think I will need a chunk of my money for other things. And that impacts what stocks I invest in and why. So here it is. Long term, that means 10 years plus, Tesla is my main investment. Tesla is my retirement plan. And if you want to see how to retire with Tesla in 10 years give or take, check the card in the corner. Medium term, 5 to 10 years, the stock to go for me is Palantir. I truly believe that this is a company that will provide the operating system of the future, the same way Microsoft did with Windows, and can see the same growth, if not bigger, than Amazon after launching AWS. But they are a ways to go and they have a lot of kinks to iron out. They are a long way from the maturity of Microsoft, but I bet they will get there. But that takes time. On the side of how this fits into my plan, I want to use this money to seed my own business. I am an intellectually active person, and even though I plan to retire around the end of the decade, that just means I won't have a job and the freedom to choose if and what to work on. Shorter term, 3 to 5 years, PayPal. This company is, in my opinion, the most undervalued established business in the market right now, that I can understand based on my knowledge, experience and background. No one wants to own fintech right now. The stock price got hammered into oblivion and it just does not make any sense to me right now what and how the market values PayPal at these prices. I expect 2023 to be a rebound year and then the price to explode going into 2025. When it comes to my plan and how PayPal fits into that, well, besides the stock market, I'm also invested into real estate. But that takes a really small part of my overall portfolio at this time. I want to change that in the future, but it is my opinion that right now the housing market is at its peak and there is a good chance for a correction, while the stock market is at its trough with a great upside. I'm waiting for the markets to meet in the middle so that I can sell and use the money for one or several down payments for properties in my country. Short term, talking about months to a year, cash. I know cash is trash in general and the current inflation will eat at its value, but it is my opinion that in the short term the US dollar will be the best performing asset. If the Federal Reserve will continue to raise rates and stick to their plan of quantitative tightening, The power of the dollar will rise, and that is especially important for me because I live in Europe and we still use a national currency instead of euro. That is not to say that I won't dollar cost average into the market, but I won't be pouring my every cent into it. This cash will act as a safety net and will offer me buying power if we will end up into a recession. Also, you need to understand that I have been buying every month for a long time according to my plan. So I'm okay with my positions at this point and at these prices. I know this was a lot. I recommend you watch this video a couple of times and also check the cards in the corner to get more information. I hope you found useful what you heard today, and please hit the like button if you did so more can see it, and don't forget to subscribe not to miss out on more videos like this. Kind regards and see you in the next one.